Okay, New York session done. Took one trade on NAS. I'll just make a quick one today. NAS signal day, range fake out day. It faked out the high of the range and faked out the previous day high as well. This is a bearish signal day, but monthly, weekly, daily breakout levels are all bullish. So mixed bias initially. Fake out day yesterday, faking out the previous day high. Here's the fake out level, bullish above, bearish below. In Asia, it already got above that, so I ended up having a bullish bias today. Coming into the session, we broke out above previous day high. The H8 breakout level is bullish, and we've also broken out of the previous week high. So all the high time frame traders are all bullish, so I was looking for a continuation move up. 8:30 NY equity open. I see that we've broken out above previous H8 high, and we're above the previous day high. That's a trend breakout setup. I was waiting for an M15 low fake out to take it up. In Asia, in New York, I trade aggressively, so I dropped down to the lower time frames, and I saw this momentum bar that took out the last bearish breakout bar, faked out the M15 low, and when I saw that, I attempted a move up. Took this one aggressive one bar stop and ended up taking a loss, but I kept at it, stayed with it, and once the next M15 low got faked out right here, and the last bearish breakout level got taken out by this momentum bar going up, I was waiting for a continuation move above this level. So got that move. Eventually came up, got triggered in over here, stops at the low of this fake out bar, and was targeting the previous month high right here. So price got all the way there, took about 4R, took partials over there, and took partials, moved my stops to break even, and now I'm still trailing this one, or I shall be trailing this move. With the indices and NAS in particular, once it starts to break out of a range or break out of a level, usually we'll have a couple of days of nice movement. So I'm hoping to see this continue, and I'll be trailing my stops, trailing my runners, I mean. And that's it. Did not take anything else. I chose NAS over US 30 and SPX because US 30 was at NY Open. It started to get below the H8 high and get below the previous day high. This is a reversal setup, but there's no way I'm going to trade a reversal when all the hard time frames are all bullish. So I did not get fooled by that. And SPX came down to the previous day high, and I like that. But this is the M15 breakout level, bullish above, bearish below, and so I needed price to get above that in order for me to take it up. And so I wasn't interested in this move, and that's why I ended up sticking with NAS. I also looked at gold and oil. Gold pulled back, faked out the H4 low. I could have taken a continuation move back up, but I opted to just stick with NAS. And oil, did not really see anything on oil. Wasn't really looking at oil above the previous day high. It's an inside day. We're above that range. I wasn't really looking at trading oil. And that's it. Didn't look at Forex pairs, just traded NAS.